Title: Elevate your listening experience with OnePlus Nord Buds 2. Get in the groove. In the realm of wireless earbuds, OnePlus has always been synonymous with innovation and quality. With the unveiling of the OnePlus Nord Buds 2, the brand continues its legacy of delivering cutting-edge audio technology combined with sleek design. Let's dive into what makes these buds stand out from the crowd. BassWave Bass Enhancement Algorithm. Ride the wave. The highlight of the Nord Buds 2 is the revolutionary BassWave Bass Enhancement Algorithm. This dynamic algorithm elevates your listening experience by delivering a balanced sound profile with deeper bass and crystal-clear vocals. Whether you're jamming to upbeat tunes or immersing yourself in soothing melodies, the BassWave ensures that every beat resonates with intensity, keeping you hooked from start to finish. Feel the thunder. Massive drivers for maximum impact. Prepare to be blown away by the thunderous bass produced by the Nord Buds 2's massive 12.4mm drivers. These drivers feature a larger diaphragm with titanium coating, resulting in enhanced clarity and weightier sound reproduction, from pulsating beats to soulful melodies. Every note is delivered with unparalleled richness and depth, allowing you to experience music in its purest form. On 5 to magnets, power-packed performance. Equipped with 52 magnets, the Nord Buds 2 offer improved sensitivity and powerful sound output. Whether you're cranking up the volume during an intense workout session or unwinding with your favorite podcast, these earbuds deliver a balanced audio performance that keeps you fully immersed in the moment. Built to go with the flow, seamless connectivity. Say goodbye to cumbersome pairing processes with the Nord Buds 2's up-tempo fast pairing feature. Simply connect your buds to your OnePlus device in the blink of an eye, and enjoy hassle-free switching between up to 2 devices simultaneously. With custom notification options, you can personalize your pairing alerts to reflect your unique style, adding a touch of flair to your audio experience. Specifications at a glance. Product name: OnePlus Nord Buds 2. Colorways: Lightning White, Thunder Gray. Audio: 12.4mm dynamic drivers, BassWave algorithm. Battery life: up to 36 hours with charging case ANC off. Noise cancellation: up to 25 decibels ANC depth. Water and sweat resistance, IP55 rating. Special features: OnePlus Fast Pair, Dolby Atmos support, direct toner, sound master equalizer. Final thoughts: the OnePlus Nord Buds 2 are not just a pair of earbuds. They're a gateway to a world of immersive soundscapes and unparalleled musical experiences. Whether you're a bass enthusiast, an audiophile, or someone who simply appreciates top-notch audio quality, these buds are sure to exceed your expectations. Elevate your listening journey with the OnePlus Nord Buds 2 and get ready to embark on a sonic adventure like never before.